1, 2, 3.
You should see Scott.
This is Fantastic Toy Reviews.
Hi, I'm Taylor.
Hi, I'm Jordan.
And today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing
Pie Face.
Ready to go, Jordan?
Let's go.
So now that we have unboxed it, let's look at what we have. So we have the base, 2 handles, the hand launcher, the chin wrist, and the face frame. And over there we have the spinner. So how you play is that you'll spin the wheel. See what number you get? What number you get, Jordan?
4.
So Jordan will put his face in the face frame and turn it 4 times. So Jordan spun it 4 times, but it didn't launch. But what makes this fun is that it launches at random, so it can launch at any time. So ready to play, Jordan?
Let's go.
So all you need to play is some whipped cream or a wet sponge. But in this case, we're gonna be using whipped cream. And it's also a good idea to have a towel, because it's gonna get messy. Oh, it's gonna be fun. Okay, you go first, Jordan. 3. Put your chin on it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here you go, Jordan. Want to eat some?
Yeah.
Okay, eat some. More whipped cream.
It's your turn.
Okay, it's my turn now.
Okay.
I'm gonna spin the wheel. 4.
Peter, I think you're gonna get Pie Face.
1, 2. 2. 1, 2.
Good.
Taylor's turn.
Okay, it's my turn. 4.
Okay, you will get Pie Face.
1,
2,
2, 3, 4.
Just got 2.
2 again. 1, 2.
I got 2. And it didn't get on my face at all.
3. 1,
Pie Face. I just got it on his nose.
Spin it, Jordan. 2. On the first one.
Give it to me. Maybe I should eat it.
Oh no, it's getting on your shirt. So, I have 3 pie faces, Jordan has 2, and whoever gets a 5 loses. So, let's put some more whipped cream on. Okay, so it's my turn.
Spin the wheel.
A 4. Oh no.
Oh no.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, I might get Pie Face.
Your turn, Jordan.
2.
A 2. Okay. 1. Pie face.
Pie face.
A 2.
2. Yeah.
1, 2. It's your turn. Harder. 4. 1. So the score is 4-3. I'm winning. I have only 3. And I could win it right here. Jordan gets pied. It's my turn. Please don't. A 5! Okay. 1.
Okay, eat some. Pie face!
So, it's the final round, and as you can see, we put the most whipped cream, and it's Jordan's turn.
But no, I'm scared.
Okay, Jordan, spin the wheel. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, you too.
My turn. 2, yes.
Pie face! Jordan wins. You wanna play?
We're inviting you to come play with us. Come closer.
Now it's your turn.
Pie face!
That was fun.
We're gonna give Pie Face a 7.5 out of 10. It was really fun because I love the suspense of not knowing when it's gonna launch. What was your favorite part, Jordan?
I like whipped cream.
The only downside about this is that it can get really messy, as you can see. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye! Hi, I'm Taylor.
Hi, I'm Jordan.
And today we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing
Pie face.
ready.
Taylor, if it gets on my eye, will you get it for me? Okay.
Oh well. Jordan.
Okay, Jordan, stop eating it off the table.
I think-
Okay, don't eat it off the table. You might get sick. Okay, say I win.
If you play pie face with whipped cream, I can get pie face and eat it. It's yummy.